everyone. My name is Emma, and I'm your English speaking coach here on English Vibes. I help you learn simple and natural English that you can use every day.
And I'm John. I'm your co-host, and I'm here to make English fun, easy, and comfortable for you. Together, we help you speak English with confidence.
Welcome to our English Vibes channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss our lessons.
All right, so today's lesson is talking about your day, natural English. Let's start.
So, John, tell us, how does your day usually start?
Well, my day starts slowly. I wake up, but my brain wakes up 10 minutes later.
That sounds true. So you wake up, and then what?
First, I check my phone. I know, bad habit.
Everyone does it. Then?
I make coffee. My day doesn't start without coffee.
That sentence is perfect English learners can use. My day doesn't start without coffee. Let's share some simple morning sentences.
Here are easy ones. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I get ready for work.
You can also say, I usually wake up early. I sometimes skip breakfast. I leave home at 9.
All natural, all simple. Perfect for anyone learning English.
Now let's talk about the middle of the day, work or school.
My workday starts around 9:30. I check emails first.
I think everyone checks emails first.
Then I join meetings, work with my team, and finish tasks.
Here are useful sentences for our viewers. I start work at 9. I have a meeting at 11. I talk to my coworkers. I study English in the afternoon. I answer emails.
And of course, I take a break because everyone needs a break.
To sound natural, use connecting words. After that, then, later, in the afternoon, finally.
Example. I start work at 9. Then I join a meeting. After that, I work on my tasks. Later, I take a break. Finally, I go home.
Very natural, very easy. What about evenings, John?
In the evening, I like to relax. Sometimes I watch YouTube. Sometimes I cook. Sometimes I do nothing.
Doing nothing is also important. Here are evening sentences. I get home at 6. I make dinner. I watch a show. I spend time with my family. I go for a walk. I relax after a long day.
Most people can say, I relax in the evening.
Let's do a natural example conversation.
All right, let's pretend it's evening.
Hey, John. How was your day today?
Pretty good. I woke up early and made breakfast. How was your day?
Mine was busy. I had a lot of work.
What did you do?
I answered emails, recorded videos, and planned some lessons.
Did you relax in the evening?
Yes, I watched a show and ate popcorn.
Popcorn makes everything better.
Use simple daily phrases. It was a busy day. My day was great. I had a long day. Nothing special happened. I had fun today.
Short sentences sound more natural for beginners. You don't need long, complicated grammar.
Let's review today's key words. Wake up, brush teeth, take a shower, eat breakfast, start work, take a break, go home, relax, and watch a show.
And the connectors. Then. After that. Later. Finally. Perfect for talking about your day.
Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up?
We read your comments every day, so don't be shy.
And if you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss our new videos.
And get ready for many more fun English conversations only on English Vibes.
Thank you for watching.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.